It took me many years to discover this method. Grab a large pot and fill it halfway with water, making sure there's enough room for the water to boil without spilling over. Bring the water to a boil over medium heat. Meanwhile, coat a ladle with oil. This simple trick prevents food from sticking to it. Next, crack an egg into the oiled ladle. Slowly lower the ladle with the egg into the boiling water, being careful not to submerge the egg. Hold it there for about a minute until you see the egg white starting to set on the sides. Once the white near the yolk has set, fully submerge the ladle with the egg into the water. Keep it submerged for just under a minute. When the egg white on top has set, remove the egg from the water and place it on a plate. This is a simple trick for making poached eggs. With this method, you can enjoy perfectly set whites and a runny yolk, and it's never been easier to make.